Dingus from the Wingus and Dingus Garage.
I'm Wingus, and this is my car. So, what we've done over the past 12 months or so is buy this car, find out that the engine is seized, that the transmission was full of water, that the diff is in relative need of a rebuild, and we did all of that except that last bit. What you're going to see now is us trying to start the car. Right now we've got the computer fuse pulled, so it won't actually start.
So you think.
Or so we think, yeah. What we're going to do is we're going to rotate a whole bunch of oil through the engine, run just on the starter, hopefully mop out anything that ain't supposed to be there. We're going to pull it forward on the lift again, drain the oil, pour some actual 10W30 in, change the filter, and go. Hopefully. That's the plan. All right. Oh, right. Here's yours. Yeah. Cool off 15. Go down. Go again. One more round and then we'll drain the oil. Okay. Now we need to get this bitch back in.
Hopefully this will be one of the last times I have to do this in this car.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Please. Camera.
It's
I'm trained, certified in fire extinguisher use.
start with the red one, please.
Yep,
I also have
I'm there. Any last words?
Fuck you and fuck your mother.
Let me get the pin out. Put it in park before you start.
That is a good point, yeah.
It's getting there.
I think we have
got some shit gas in those pipes. Oh. Let me get from behind. Nice. You got crap all over this manifold and stuff. Start up again.
Well, I mean, that was kind of redlining there. I'm not entirely sure why.
Because your throttle's stuck open.
Look at the fucking thing. I ain't stuck open.
There should be more travel in it than that. Got shit gas still in its pipes.
Well, that and the manifolds are open, I think. Ow! That's correct. It works. It's not stuck.
Okay. There's just not a lot of travel to it.
We just have some really, really awful gasoline. So, those last couple videos, you just watched us practically blow the fucking car up. So let me draw your attention to the throttle body here. So, that's full on. Full off is all the way over here. This little motherfucker's bent.
We're armed.
It's fucking in there, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
God damn it so much.
All right. Call me when you're ready to do that again.
We're ready to do it again.
Right now. Do it right now. Give it a little bit of gas. We've mended something! Almost. Are you holding the gas on? Is it idling too low for it, or?
It's not idling is the issue.
So we adjust the idler.
Won't idle.
Huh?
There's supposed to be a vacuum system that controls the idle.
It's probably wrong.